Under the hood, the Honor 7C has a Snapdragon 450 octa-core chipset, 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. While the chipset is an entry-level offering, paired with the RAM there's enough power to keep things running. There is a slight lag when opening apps, but nothing we wouldn't expect from a phone in the 7C's price bracket. That power is tasked with running Android 8 Oreo, the latest version of Google's mobile operating system, although it's not the stock software. The Honor 7C comes with parent company Huawei's MU interface overlay, which removes the app drawer and changes the theme of Android. While the interface may not be to everyone's taste, it allows Honor to add some additional features. There's a gaming mode that can hide notifications and provides a small pop-up for calls during gameplay, so not to ruin your flow, while Synergy Music allows you to sync up to 9 handsets to play a song through all their speakers, and karaoke mode lets you project your singing voice through the phone's speaker. The dual rear-facing cameras are one of the main attractions of the Honor 7C, with 13MP and 2MP sensors sitting side by side. The 2MP camera is in charge of capturing depth data for the bokeh mode, allowing you to take photos with a blurred background, while your subject in the foreground is nicely in focus. We had a quick play with the camera on the Honor 7C and found it to be generally capable, although it's not going to blow you away with quality. The bokeh mode worked reasonably well, but the overall image seemed to lack a little bit of definition. Round the front, the 8MP camera is accompanied by Honor's Smart Soft Light LED, allowing you to illuminate yourself eyes in low light. The LED has 3 levels of adjustment, allowing you to choose just how illuminated you are. We didn't have a particularly dark environment during our hands-on time with the phone to try this out, but we'll be sure to put the front and rear cameras to the test in our in-depth review.